Welcome back to Python programming. So in the last session, we were discussing about how to use a list and how to use slices list. So in this session, we will do some programming by getting the user inputs, and also we'll try to try to understand like how do you find the maximum of an element, minimum of an element programmatically without using the built-in function, right? So let us see, and we'll start with that. So this would be program number. So, some sample programs will do. Program number 13. Sample programs with user inputs. So we will see how do we create a Corona dashboard, right? So let us say what is that we are going to do in this is create a Corona dashboard. So nowadays, like you are all listening to a lot of in the news, like you are getting this dashboard, right? So usually, what they will display is like what is the name of the state name, right? And then the total cases, and then the active cases, recovered cases, and then the death case, right? So this is what we will be doing. Suppose if I want to get the user information, create this using a list for the state of for at least two or three different states of India dynamically. How can I do it? So create a Corona dashboard dynamically by getting the user inputs. So by getting the user input. So let us see how can I create this dynamically using the user inputs. So first I have to ask the user how many states data you want to capture, right? That is the user input. Then once I do that, then I will ask the user to enter all the information, and this will go as a list, right? And all the elements of this I have to add it to a list. So let